Today, we will be making homemade plain white bread. To start us off, I will be using the Panasonic SDP-104 bread maker, which has a wide variety of settings to choose from. For this recipe in particular, I will be using menu 8, stuffed bread. Alright, now let's take a look at the ingredients we will be needing. Bread flour, egg, water, instant yeast, sugar, milk, and butter. Now, add in the bread flour, 200 grams, sugar, 3 tablespoons, milk, 1 tablespoon, salted butter, 1 tablespoon, water, 90 milliliters. Break in an egg. Place this back into the bread maker. And close the lid. Now, open the top lid and add an instant yeast into the dispenser. I'm using 1 1/4 teaspoon of instant yeast. Okay, so now, change the menu to menu 8. And click Start. The dough will then knead for 55 minutes. Now, with a minute left, and now it's completed. Let's take a look. Wow, the dough has fully risen. Looks fantastic. We have a nice crusty layer on the outside. Now, let's take a look inside. Perfect, the dough was kneaded perfectly into this delicious looking bread. so forget about store-bought bread. This can be eaten with a chocolate spread or jam or just on its own. Make yours at home for a healthier lifestyle.